Fletcher. Today I am unboxing box number 8 of the Papercraft Society subscription box. I can't believe we're already on box number 8. It doesn't feel that long ago since I was doing box number 1. This month we have a brand new designer. This is a box by Bee Crafty. We've not had a box by them before, so I'm really excited to see what it's like. And I need to say that I am really impressed with how quick this box has come out. We were warned that there may be another delay, but we're still in May and I've got this month's box, so I am really impressed. I think Craft Stash have done an amazing job, and considering we're still in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, to get this box as quick as we have, I think they've done really well. So let's have a little look at this box. So the outside, as you can see, we have the normal foiling detail that we always get with the boxes. This actually kind of makes me think of Oriental. I don't know whether it's because of the swirls, and yeah, I'm loving the watercolours, so I don't know what's in this box, but it does feel quite Oriental from the outside of the box, but that might just be me. So let's have a look at the inside. And so the message on the top of the lid says, "Creativity is messy. I am a very creative." And that's signed off by Bev, I think. So I would have to agree. If creativity is messy, I have got to be one of the most creative people there is. Because what you can't see behind me is a lot of mess. Okay, so we have our beautiful wallet. And now I think this is the first time they've actually done this and put the name on the wallet. If I think back to previous boxes, I think we've just had pretty like foiling and it tying in with the box. I don't remember seeing like a Helen Griffin, for example, name on a wallet, so that's different. I quite like it. So we have the wallet of goodies, and then we have the tissue paper of goodies, and in the bottom of the box, I'm just going to hide that code, but we do have a voucher code to spend at Craft Stash. So that's nice. That's a £5 voucher. So I always start with the wallet. So I'm going to do that and carry on my trend. Look at the colours. Isn't that gorgeous? So it's watercoloury. Let's have a look inside. So the first thing we have, create imperfection. It is good for the soul of your creativity. So let's have a look and see what these stamps are like. Wow, look how big these are. I love these. Look at them. So there's the bee. Those are awesome. Look, I love this one. That's a really good size. I love it. That's going to be so much fun to play with. So we have those stamps. Going to have a lot of fun with that on my new stamping platform. Do you know, I still haven't played with my brand new stamp platform yet. How bad is that? I just haven't had a chance yet with everything else that I've had going on. Well, we have 2 sets of stamps. Guilt is a wasted emotion. Craft whenever you want. Well, I love that sentiment. We have more stamps, look. How beautiful are these? We have birthday wishes. We have a key. I have some wooden keys. I wonder if that will go with that. Look at that clock. You have the key to my heart. That's really nice. I like that. You are loved beyond measure. And then we have another bee up here. We have the butterfly. We have a lace edging stamp. We have Roman numerals. I am so rubbish with Roman numerals. I could not even begin to tell you what numbers they are. I would have to Google it. Thinking of you, that's a really nice script. And then we have like the watermark. Those are lovely stamps. I think those are just beautiful. So we have those, and I have to say I do love the craft whenever you want thing. I wish I could, but you know, having a small child in the house, I can't always craft whenever I want. And then we have make your own choices in life, choose craft. Oh, I will choose craft every single day of the week. Absolutely. Look at these gorgeous stencils. So we have that one. We have like a clock, which will obviously time with the numerals. Have some lovely flourish there. Another butterfly. We've got like splatters here. I love these. Aren't these gorgeous, gorgeous stencils? And then look at these papers. Oh, and we have dies as well. So we have a key, we have a butterfly, we've got like a tag, a dragonfly, I want to say, a hello. For you, we've got some nice edging dies there. Aren't they lovely? Right, let's investigate these papers. If you've followed my channel for a while, you will know I am a sucker for papers. So let's have a look. So we've got 2 pinks. We have, oh wow, look at that. I like that a lot. Look. That one is beautiful. So I think Bee Crafty do a lot of mixed media. Oh wow, look, we have 2 sheets of sentiments and stuff. I love that. That is brilliant. Oh, that's nice. Every story has an end, but in life every ending is just a new beginning. It's time to start something new and trust the magic of new beginnings. How lovely are these sentiments? Hug harder, laugh louder, smile bigger, love longer. I love those. Collect moments, not things. Yeah, unless it's craft supplies, and then I think I'd like to do both. Those are beautiful. I love them. True beauty never fades. I love those. Those are brilliant. Okay, so that was all in the pouch. Let's just put it back in there for now. And let's move on to the tissue paper of fun. Now that is a gorgeous pale yellow. That would be great if I can save that. See if I can save it. That'd be great for baby projects. Try and be a bit careful. Okay, what is in here? Oh, look! Embossing paste, and it's a load of it. Look! I mean, that is an impressive amount of embossing paste. Let me just go and grab my embellishment paste that I got from Tonic, and we're going to compare those. Right, okay, so this is my Nouveau embellishment mousse, which I got recently. As you will know, I've had a little play with these already. This is the embellishment, no, it says embossing paste that's come with this box. Look at that. That is worth a lot of this box, I would say. Like, that is really, really good value for what we pay for these boxes to get all of that. Look, that is incredible. I am seriously impressed. And if I'm honest, super chuffed. That is amazing. That is, wow. Oh look, it's got and then there's like a, it's all stuck. And it's got the lid as well. Wow. I am seriously impressed with that. Okay, let's see what else. We've got our Papercraft Society inks. I really need to find a way to store these where I actually reach for them a bit more. But I have to say, I do love these inks. Let me just open these up. Well, I'll try. They're a bit well done. There we go. Right. I don't know if you've seen these before, so look at those pads. Aren't they great? So they're a great equal to the distress inks that I love so much. Kind of similar, but yeah, love those. We've got a yellow, a pink and a green, and we have a palette knife. I am really excited about this because I don't have one of these. I've been using, believe it or not, a cake making, you know, the icing spreader things. So it's nice to have a proper palette knife, which I can now use not only on my embossing paste that's come with this box, but also with my embellishment mousse. So I think I will probably use those in conjunction with each other. What's this? When all else fails, get messy. Types of stenciling. Okay, so this goes through types of stenciling and what you can do. So that is awesome. And then we have... Okay, well that's the book. So this takes us through, obviously, everything that's supposed to come in the box. There'll be inspiration in here. Then there's a bit about Bee Crafty. And then it goes through, that's everything that's in the box. And then we go through all the inspirations here, which is awesome. Now I did actually see on Facebook earlier, we are getting a made to surprise Sam Calcott box. So how exciting is that? I can't wait for that one. I don't know which one it is though. I don't think it's June. It might be July, which is my birthday month. How awesome is that? Right, we have card in pink, yellow, green and craft. Do you know, I think actually in this box we have had more value for money. This is probably the best value for money box I actually think we've had since we've been having these Papercraft Society boxes. I am seriously impressed, especially with this embossing paste. Okay, so that is all for this video. That was the unboxing of the Bee Crafty box. I hope you have enjoyed my video today. If you are a subscriber to Papercraft Society, let me know in comments what you think about this box. Are you as impressed as I am? I am seriously chuffed. And I cannot wait to play with this box. I think they have absolutely knocked it out of the park with this box. Yeah, I am proper impressed. So yeah, let me know. Are you impressed as well? Are you liking it? Talk to me. I love to discuss these things in the comment section. I am really excited about the boxes we have coming in the future, especially the made to surprise one. I'd still like to see a Daisy May one, but you know, they've got time and they have got some fabulous stuff coming our way. As I said, I'm very impressed with how quick they've got us this box. I think communication has been really good about where we're at with the box. Yeah, seriously happy. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you're all well. I hope you are staying safe and crafting and having a lot of fun crafting. I'll be back soon with more videos and I will see you soon. Bye for now.